How to lock screen while watching YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to watch the YouTube with the screen off, you will need an app. So go ahead and open up Play Store and search for UC Browser Turbo. Once you have installed the app, open it and then go to YouTube. And say for example, I want to keep this video playing with screen locked or off. So once you are on the video, you will see this purple button, the music button. It's floating music icon. What you need to do is just click on it, and as you can see, it tells you that now the video or voice can be played in the background. So meaning even if you just go back to your home screen or lock your screen, the YouTube video will still keep playing. It's that easy and simple. So also, if you wanted to turn it off, you will need to go back to that page and click on the button again, and the background YouTube playing will be turned off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can watch YouTube or play YouTube in the background or while the screen is off. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.